Today, we're taking care of our muddy backyard and directing our water runoff with our new gutter downspout extensions. Our barn has some old gutters that are rusted out. The rain rolls right off the roof and to the ground. The water pools and turns our backyard into one giant puddle. So after I got these downspout extenders, I had an idea to fix it. They come shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your instructions, a baggie of hardware, as well as 2 sets of downspout extensions. Now, I'm going to try and do this project for as little cost as possible, so I'm repurposing some old gutters that I found. But first, I gotta remove the old rusty ones. After some blood, sweat, and tears, I got everything cleaned up and then bolted up the new gutters. I didn't have gutter clips, so I made some temporary shelves to hold it in place till we cut the clamps. Then I found an old downspout and used it to direct the water runoff down the side of the barn and away from our problem areas. And now, it's time for our downspout extension. Slide on the end piece and then bolt that into place. Then, take your extender, stretch it out, and screw it onto the end piece. Then, I bolted down some of my own brackets to hold the extender in place. Lastly, take your other end piece and screw that onto the end. Now, this may look weird, but I have a plan. Our huskies have a turtle pool, and we have no hose out back or way of filling it. So guess what? Yup, now the huskies have an auto-refilling turtle pool. I poured some water down the contraption and found all the spots that leaked. Then, I sealed it up with some seam sealer and capped and sealed up the end so the water can only flow out one way. Now, whenever it rains, the water comes down the downspout and collects in the pool where the huskies can play and have fun. Not only that, but now our ground is less muddy and easier to walk through. I even have a second downspout extender to tidy up the other side of the barn, but that's for another day. For now, I'm going to enjoy watching my husky trying to catch falling water from the downspout. It's just too funny. So if you're looking for a way to direct your water runoff, these downspout extenders might just be for you. If you'd like to get a pack for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I've got to go to the bathroom. So much running water. See ya.